Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will learn how to fix cracks or scratches on walls using the clone stamp tool. Open your image and zoom into the cracks portion of the wall. Select the clone stamp tool and choose a medium soft brush. Hold Alt to sample a clean, uncracked area near the damaged part. Being painting gently over the crack to cover it. Use short, soft cracks instead of long drags for realistic textures. If your walls has different tone, sample no areas often. Adjust opacity to keep clone spot looking natural. For rough textures, increase brush hardness slightly. Move around the wall and fix all visible cracks the same way